welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leilani Love. So today we have this beautiful wig. We are going to be cutting this into a wig that you have seen on my channel before. It's going to be a basically turning this into a finger wave wig. This is going to be worn by a bride for her wedding. So we're starting off with a 16-inch full lace. I'm going to start off by cutting the back in a 90 and then cutting the sides in a 90-degree angle and then blending in the top. I'm going to be using all techniques that I've learned from the hair diagram. You can follow her on Instagram or YouTube as well. She's a wonderful teacher. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off by wetting the hair down. Whenever you're doing a haircut, you want to wet the hair. I'm going to be using a straight razor, and I'm also going to go in with a razor comb, a double-sided razor comb. If you are a beginner or you're new to this, you might want to use scissors or shears to cut the hair. So I'm going to start off by using the razor to cut off the bulk of the hair. This is not how you're going to angle your cut. So when you're actually doing your cut, you want to go straight out at a 90-degree angle. And I'm just going to be doing that without separating much, but you may want to do sections. I just parted the back from the front, and then I'm going to blend it all together. But again, as a beginner, you definitely want to make sure you do small parts. And now I'm just taking the front and over directing it to the back to generally give me a longer front. So this is the general shape. Again, I will be going in and cleaning this up, but this is just me taking off the bulk before I start coloring the hair or toning the hair. Okay, here you're going to see me over direct the front of the hair to the back. That's just going to give us more of the pixie-like cut, and it's just going to make it flow a little bit better in the front. And it makes the front longer as well. So I'm not going to go in with the toner. First, I'm going to go in with Blonde Sexy Hair, the purple shampoo, and I'm also going to use a purple conditioner. The hair took to the conditioner and shampoo really well, so I actually might not need a toner. That's going to depend on the porosity of the hair, the quality of the hair, and everything. I ended up washing the wig with purple shampoo and conditioner multiple times. When I say multiple, I mean multiple. I did not use a toner. So whether or not you're going to use a toner is going to completely depend upon the quality of the hair and if the hair really has anything on it. I know a lot of this Remy hair or virgin hair or unprocessed hair or whatever you want to call it, they say that nothing is on the hair, but if there's nothing on the hair, you will only need to just use a purple shampoo and be good to get the yellow out. Toning comes in like if you want to actually change the color of the tone. So if I wanted to do like a strawberry blonde, or if I wanted to do more of an ashy look or a silver, this would be when I would go in with my toner and apply that. Okay guys, so I let the hair air dry overnight, and this is how it came out. As you can see, it's an icy blonde. The yellow is gone. And we just kind of toned it because she definitely did not want the Barbie doll yellow hair. So here's the color. And now we're going to style the wig. And I will also be doing some cleanup with the cut while as I style or while it's dry. I let it air dry overnight to keep the processing down to a minimum. And yeah, so let's get started. So before I go in and start styling, I'm just basically going to be cleaning everything up, making sure everything is aligned so that even when she doesn't wear finger waves, she'll still have a nice pixie cut and she can wear it, you know, just on her hot girl summer, you know, and still be cute. So yeah, I'm just making sure everything is aligned, and you know, always double check your cuts. And one thing about finger wave or pixie cuts, you are going to have to cut around the ears once you get it on the person. So don't expect it to be exactly in the perfect shape around the ears. That's going to be a part of the installation process. So the sideburns and things like that, you can, there's nothing wrong with going ahead and parting it out. But again, it's going to have to be adjusted once it's on the person's head, because it's a full lace. Everything is not lined up to match the person's head unless you customize it to their head before styling. So now I'm just going in with some clear extreme gel. I like this gel because it's clear, it didn't flake, it holds the style really well, and I just didn't have any issues. I didn't use any mousse. I didn't feel it was necessary with the gel. I just made sure that the hair was completely saturated as I go through. You might want to keep a water bottle on the side just so you can keep spraying it and making sure that the hair stays wet. Alrighty, y'all, this is how she's looking. I am gonna put her in the dryer on cool air because I don't want the hair to turn yellow. I just want it to dry really nicely. And yes, as you can see, she came out nice and crispy though. Like, come on, you see her swimming. I just want to thank y'all so much for tuning into my channel. Make sure before you leave, you subscribe and tap that bell so you know anytime I drop some heat. If you want to order a wig from me, be sure to check out my website, www.leilanieslove.com, or you can hit me up on Instagram at leilanis.love. And I just want to thank you guys so much for your time, your support. Be sure to like this video and leave a comment below on what other kind of videos you like to see. And yeah, just thank you so much for your time. Until next time, peace and love. Oh, snap, y'all. I forgot to tell you that I have these glasses on my website. These are the Queen of Hearts sunglasses. I have them in clear and pink. Be sure to check them out.